Hello and welcome to the FAW Welsh Cup Round 2 draw at the St David's Hotel here in Cardiff. I'm Andrew Howard, the head of competitions at the FAW, and I'm delighted to be joined by two Wales's young internationals, Crystal Palace's Johnny Williams, who's currently on loan at Ipswich, and Emir Hughes of Wigan Athletic. Johnny's going to take the balls out for the home draw, and we're ready to go.
Number 10.
Number 10 is Carnarvon Town.
Number 1.
And they'll play Guilsfield Athletic.
Number 7.
Number 7 is Conwy Borough.
Number 11.
And they will play Denbigh Town.
Number 15.
That's Llanberis.
Number 8.
And they will play Caersus.
Number 9.
That's Llanidloes Town. 19.
Number 19.
And that's Penrhyn Coch.
Number 17.
That's Gresford Athletic.
Number 18.
And they'll play Llanfair United.
Number 3.
Number 3 is FC Nomads of Connors Quay.
Number 16.
And they'll play Llangollen Town.
Number 5.
Number 5 is St Asaph City.
Number 6.
And they will play Melidon.
Number 20.
That's Brookfield Rangers.
Number 2.
And they'll play Llanrhaeadr and Mochnant.
Number 12.
That's Mold Alexandra.
Number 14.
And they'll play Holywell Town.
Number 13.
That's Buckley Town.
Number 4.
And they will play Waterloo Rovers. That concludes the northern draw of the Welsh Cup Round 2.